I was thinking, let me just quickly head to the ladies. Don't you go anywhere.
Dr. Mike.
What the hell are you doing here?
I know your little secret.
Oh, what are you talking about?
Mike, Digbonil having lunch with that beautiful wife of yours. If I were Yegindotayam, I will go to her and tell her everything.
You wouldn't dare.
Test, Mike. Test. If you want to keep this little marriage going, you know what to do.
Well, the king. Your ex tracked me down.
Schumacher?
Yeah. He's threatening to expose our relationship to my wife.
Oh, he didn't.
Oh, he did. You better handle him, Jose. You better put him back on his leash. All right? Or someone have to end this. Us. I got too much to lose. I have a wife, kids, a reputation in the business world to uphold. I can't have this come out. Deal with him, Jose. Now.
Mike, ubaluleke kakhulu lapha kum. Mike ubaluleke kakhulu ebomini bam. I'm sorry it didn't work out for us, but that's how it is. I love Mike. What you and I had wasn't love.
Jose. Uthetha kanjani into enjalo?
Ndithetha kanjani? Inyani nje. Uzumthanda wena. Not for who I really am.
Jose, awukwazi uxelela mna uba ndifilisha ntoni okanye ndandifilisha ntoni.
Fine. If that is true, then stop hurting me. Let me be happy. Give me what I want, what I need. Shumaka, you are still young, and we both know what our relationship was. If you need more, just ask. But Shuman, you really have feelings for me. Then don't ruin my only chance of finding true love.